Hello friends, welcome to Smart Dev. I'm Smita. Know your body more with fact and tips. Today's topic is human nail. What this video contains? What is nail? What does nail contains? What are nails made of? How does nail grow? What does nail really do? Interesting fact about nails. Health tips. Condition and treatment related to nails. What is nail? Nail is a claw-like keratinous plate at the tip of the finger and toes. The nail is hard organic protein that covers the tip of the human finger and toe. Nails are the part of human integumentary system. What does nail contains? Carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, water, calcium, alpha keratin, ferrous, copper, magnesium and lipid content zinc. Hardness due to structural protein alpha helical keratin, cysteine-rich amorphous matrix protein. Mineral content of nail is zinc, ferrous, copper and magnesium in a small quantity. It contains 78% of protein, 18% of water and little lipid, which is less than 5%. What are nail made of? Lunula, proximal nail fold, aponechium, hyponechium, free edge, nail bed, nail root, matrix, cuticle, hangnail. Now we will see in detail. Nails are very complex and they are made up of several parts. The visible is actually the nail plate. All the parts of the nails are not visible. Hangnail. It is the skin attached to the nail. Hyponechia. Hyponechia is a part which is sticking to the tip of the skin which is attached to the proximal nail fold and nail plate. It forms a seal to protect nail bed. It is a epithelium or skin between nail plate and junction of free edge and the skin of the fingertip. It's a glassy and grayish color. Nail root grows from nail matrix. Matrix. It is the tissue which the nail protects. It is a part of nail bed that is beneath the nail and it contains nerves, lymph and blood vessels. The matrix produces cells that become the nail plate. The width and thickness of the nail plate is determined by the size, length and thickness of the matrix, while the shape of the fingertip is determined by the bone, whether the nail plate is flat, arched or hooked. The matrix will continue to produce cells as long as it receives nutrients and remains in healthy condition. As new nail plate cells are made, they push older nail plate cells forward, and in this way older cells become compressed, flat and translucent. This makes the capillaries in the nail bed below visible, resulting in pink color. Melanocyte present at matrix is contributing to pigmentation of the nail. The lunula, small moon or half moon, is the visible part of the matrix. The whitish crescent-shaped base of the visible nail. The lunula can best be seen in the thumb, may not be visible in the little finger. Nail bed is the skin beneath the nail plate. Like all the skin, it has made up of two layers, epidermis and dermis. The deeper dermis, the living tissue which include capillaries and glands. Capillaries means blood vessels. Epidermis moves along with the nail plate towards the fingertip. The two layers attached by small longitudinal grooves. The nail plate is the hard part of the nail, made up of translucent keratin protein. The average person has 50 layers of keratin cells that makes up the nail plate. Nail plate contains hard keratin with high sulfur, high glycine, tyrosine rich matrix protein, water and lipid. Rigidity depends on arrangement of cells, their adhesion to keratin fiber. It is independent of calcium content. Several layers of dead compacted cells cause the nail to be strong but flexible. The cuticle is the semicircular thin layer of the most visible dead skin cell, dead tissue that ride out on and cover the back of the visible nail plate. Eponychium is the skin fold that produces the cuticle. It is a small band of living epithelium cell that extend from the posterior nail wall onto the base of the nail. Both cuticle and eponychium works as protective layer. During manicure, the cuticle is often removed. But if the eponychium gets hurt accidentally, it can lead to infection. Hence, manicure should be carried out only by trained people. Bone, distal bone. Bone supports and shapes both the nail and matrix and nail bed. The flat and curved shape of your nail is determined by the shape of your fingertip bone. There is a nail sinus where the root of the nail is located. It grows actively from a tissue just underneath the matrix. Free edge. It is the part of the nail that extends beyond the fingertip. Can be filed into shape. Free edge contains only dead cells and it is not attached to any of the skin. So when we clip our nail, it doesn't hurt. What does nail really do? Protection. It protects sensitive fingertips and distal phalanges. It prevents damage to the bone and soft tissues at the tip of the toe and fingers while kicking, jumping and catching. It helps and assists in movement. It serves to enhance precise, delicate movement of distal digits through counter pressure exerted on the pulp of the finger, which helps finger by supporting in movement such as catching, grasping, digging, scratching and scraping action. Helps to pick up small objects. Indicates alternation or changes in the body health. Helps physician to identify health issues by inspecting the nail structure and color. Also helps in sensory perception. Augments sensation of touch. How does nail grow? Nail grows faster in summer due to more exposure to sun and increased movement, which leads to good blood circulation, which increases nail growth. Nail plate is made up of dead cells, as I already told you in the previous video. Hair grow from follicle, not from the tip. Same here. Nail grows from the root, not from the tip. Nail cells are rich in keratin, which is protein. Nail bed keeps adding cells as it pushes nail, which is rich in keratin, receives cell nutrient from the capillaries attached to the nail root. As they grow and extend outwards, that forming the nail that we can see, which is free edge of the nail. Fingernails grow 3 mm per month. It takes 6 months to grow completely from the root to the edge. Toenail grows 1 mm per month. It takes 12 to 18 months to grow from root to edge. And the growth depends on the age, diet, season, also hereditary factor. Nail growth is continuous throughout the life. The longer the finger, the more rapid the growth. Regeneration of the fingernail after avulsion, that is either tearing away accidentally or surgically removal, takes 160 days. 40 days to emerge from the nail fold, another 120 days for growth till the fingertips. Blood supply to the nail is unique in that it must supply a vascular structure between two hard surfaces, that is nail plate and the distal phalanges. Nail develops when baby is between 9th to 20th week in mother's womb. Fetal growth of nail is gradual. Fingernails appear longer than the toenails. At birth, nail edges reaches tips to digits. Nail plate and forensic medicine. Due to slow growth rate of the nails, makes it possible to utilize nail clipping to detect previous exposure to drugs, metals, and toxins. Example: heroin, cocaine, amphetamine. Drug exposure, poisoning, genetic analysis also can be detected. Fingernail clipping of victims for identification of accused by DNA method is done. Now we will see some of the interesting fact about the nail. Nail is permeable. The permeation of chemical across the nail plate and their consequent effect are discussed in relation to cosmetic toxicity and possible clinical efficacy. Even though nail plate has dead cells, it is permeable, which provide oxygen to underneath tissue. Fingernails on your dominant hand grows faster. If lunula is injured, the nail won't grow normally because it is the visible part of the matrix. Changes in the lunula's appearance can also be a sign of a systemic disease. Human nail and hair contain some protein, that is keratin. But the arrangement of keratin molecule in nail and hair are completely different from each other. So nail are tougher than hair. Nail grow faster in summer than winter. Stress can inhibit growth of nails in individual. Cuticle helps to retain moisture along with protective function. Nail grow faster in male compared to females except pregnancy because hormonal changes makes nail to grow faster in pregnancy. Brittle nail is a sign of stress. Nails never sweat because they do not have any sweat glands. Sweat, what we see, comes from skin around the nail. A dentist named Maxwell Lapte in 1934 invented special plates which soon became popular as fake nails. A very small lunula indicates low immunity and indigestion problem. It may happen due to slow metabolism and toxin overload in the body. Dark lines on the nail may indicate onset of melanoma, a kind of skin cancer. Cracks on the nail indicate skin disease. Age, malnutrition, and hormonal imbalance are the factors that can affect nail growth. As we age, fingernail grows slow. The lifetime of an adult nail is 4 months. Nail polish is originated in China as early as 3000 BC. The ingredients are egg white, gelatin, vegetable dyes, and beeswax. Mr. Sridhar Chilal is the person who holds Guinness World Record of longest nail, measured a combined length of 86.5 inches. Due to this, as he grew it for 61 years, his hand got permanently handicapped. He cannot open his hand from closed position or flex his fingers. What is the meaning of white spot on nail? There is a popular myth that white spot on nail are indication of calcium deficiency. It is a common issue. It is partial leukonychia and entirely harmless. It is not a sign of a serious medical condition, may be caused due to either trauma to the nail. If damage to the nail happens, the white area remains unaffected when pressure is put on them. These areas will grow out as the nail does. The injury may happen due to nail biting, day-to-day activities. Also could be due to allergies. It occurs commonly in healthy individuals. What is CRT? It is capillary refill test done by medical professionals to find out hypovolemic condition of the body. during physical examination. The fingernail bed is briefly depressed to turn the nail bed white. When the pressure is released, the normal pink color should be restored within a second or two. Delayed return to pink color can be the indication of certain shock state like hypovolemia, means blood loss from the body, or low extracellular fluid in the body. Now we will see some of the health tips for healthy nail. Keep nail clean and dry. Cut nails straight across. Use sharp nail clippers. Round the nails slightly at the tips for maximum strength. Keep the nail shaped and free from snag by filing with the emery board. Do not bite fingernails or remove the cuticle. Doing so can cause damage to the nail. Do not use your nail as a tool, such as opening pop cans. Trim toenails regularly. Keeping them short will minimize the risk of trauma and injury. When toenails are thick and difficult to cut, soak your feet in warm salt water. Mix 1 teaspoon of salt per pint of water and soak it for 5 to 10 minutes. Avoid digging out ingrown toenails, especially if they are infected and sore. If you are suffering from the ingrown toenail, see a dermatologist for treatment. Wear shoes that fit properly. Wear flip-flops at the pool and in the public shower. This reduces the risk of infection caused by fungus that can get in your toenail. Do not pull hangnails. Instead, clip off it. Don't bite or chew your nails. Eating generally healthful diet will keep nails looking the best way they can. But eating certain food makes no difference in nail. Healthy food for healthy nail. The food rich in biotin, vitamin B12, calcium, iron, protein, vitamin C, D, vitamin A, zinc, omega-3 fatty acid are very useful for the healthy growth of the nail. B complex, vitamin B7 is needed for healthy growth of the nail, which aids in metabolism of protein-building amino acids that are essential for nail growth. Biotin-rich food are found in liver, egg yolk, dairy product, avocado, sweet potato, nuts, seeds, salmon. Vitamin B12 helps in iron absorption and development of red blood cells, deficiency which may result blue-brownish pigmented nails. Folate found in dark green vegetables, citrus fruits, beans, peas, nuts, seeds and avocado. Vitamin B12 found in meat, poultry, fish, egg and dairy products. Food like chicken, fish, egg and dark green leafy vegetables, seeds. Iron is needed to provide oxygen to the cell. Magnesium helps in protein synthesis, which is required for hair growth. Food like whole grain, cashew, beans, peanut, green leafy contains magnesium. Protein protect the nail from damage. Food like lentils, nuts, seeds, soy, legumes, which contains high protein. Omega-3 fatty acid helps to lubricate and moisturize the nails, giving them shiny appearance, preventing dry, brittle nails. Food like walnut, chia seeds, flax seeds, soy, eggs, fish oil, mackerel, tuna, sardine, salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acid. Vitamin C. Food like strawberries, tomato, bell pepper, kiwi essential for collagen production, which helps to provide and strengthens integrity of your nail. Zinc. Zinc is required for many reactions in your body, including growth and division of cells. Nails are made up of cells that grows and divides rapidly. For fast production, steady supply of zinc is needed. Inadequate supply leads to degeneration of nail plate. Found in food like poultry, fish, egg, soy, a nutrient-rich diet is likely the best way to achieve strong, shiny, healthy nails. Deficiency of vitamin, mineral and nutrients may negatively affect your nail health. To grow nail fast, cuticle care must be taken by moisturizing it with the oil and then gently massaging to be done. Never cut your cuticle, which may lead to infection. Now we will see some of the conditions related to nail. Discoloration. What does the nail color indicate? Pale nail may indicate anemia, congestive heart failure, liver cirrhosis or liver diseases, malnutrition. White nail may indicate liver problem like hepatitis. Yellow nails may indicate fungal infection. Sometimes also it indicates lung disease, diabetes, psoriasis, severe thyroid diseases. Bluish nail indicate decreased oxygen level in the body, which is called as cyanosis. Even during cold weather, due to constriction of blood capillaries, it happens because of decreased oxygen level in the body. Discolored or dark colored nail or dark lines on the nail. Maybe it indicates melanoma, skin cancer. Not all the dark colored nails indicate same, but it could be due to extra pigmentation of melanocyte or could be a blood clot due to an injury. Other conditions. Elderly people are more prone to nail problems compared to younger people. Cracked nail or brittle nail. This is due to nail plate is dry. It may break, peel or split the nail. May be linked to thyroid disease. Decreased thyroid may cause this condition. May be due to iron deficiency, exposure to chemicals, more exposure to chemically treated water, etc. The treatment could be use protective gloves while washing dishes. Take iron-rich food. Use moisturizing cream. Keep your body hydrated. Anonychia is a condition where absence of all or part of the one or more nail seen. It may be congenital by birth or acquired. Acquired may be due to scarring of the nail matrix, may be due to burns or surgery or trauma. Rippled or pitted nail. It is the early sign of psoriasis, inflammatory arthritis. The skin under the nail can be seen reddish brown. Do you know nail polish may damage your nails, which may make it brittle due to chemical present in it, and it also changes and fades your natural color if you are using it for the prolonged time. Puffy nail fold. If the skin around the nail appears red and puffy, this is known as inflammation of the nail fold. It may be due to the result of lupus or another connective tissue disorder. Koilonychia, hollow nail. In early childhood, the nail plate is relatively thin and may show temporary koilonychia. In koilonychia, there is a reverse curvature in the transverse and longitudinal axis giving a concave dorsal aspect to the nail. Most prominent in the thumb and great toe, common in infancy. Fungal infection. Toenails are more frequently involved than the fingernails, caused by dermatophytes. Involvement starts at distal edge and spreads proximally. That means from the tip of the finger to backwards. Nail plate is yellow and thick and crumbled easily. Onycholysis. It is the painless separation of nail plate from the nail bed, which occurs without cause. Nail clubbing. It is also called as Hippocratic finger. Its curved fingertip and nails seen in the people with the lung disease, lung cancer, inflammatory bowel disease, liver cirrhosis, stomach and bowel cancer. Bacterial infection. The Staphylococcus aureus bacterium is the common cause of bacterial infection of the nail. Typically, the infection first takes hold on the fold of the skin at the base of the nail. Without treatment, the infection can worsen, leading to inflammation and pus. Ingrown toenails. A condition in which the corner or side of the toenail grows into the flesh. The condition usually affects the big toe, People who have diabetes are at greater risk of complication. Sometimes it won't heal by itself, needs interventions. Other causes may be cutting toenails incorrectly, irregular curved toenails, footwear that places a lot of pressure on the big toes, such as socks and stockings that are too tight and too tight shoes. Toenail injury, poor posture, improper foot hygiene, toenail damage due to athletic activities like kickboxing, football, etc. Home treatment. Soaking leg in a warm water 15 to 20 minutes, 3 to 4 times a day. Keep your shoe and footwear dry. Push the skin away from the toenail edge with a cotton ball soaked in olive oil. This condition may lead to infection sometimes. Sometimes it needed topical antibiotic application with the physician prescription. Next is surgical interventions for ingrown nails. Partial nail removal involves only removing the piece of the nail that is digging into your skin. Total nail removal may be used if your ingrown nail is caused by thickening. This procedure is called as matrixectomy. This procedure also done if the infection is present. The area is numbed by local anesthesia or general anesthesia. Then the operating part is made sterile. The tourniquet is applied to minimize the blood flow and the infected part is removed. After procedure, dressing is done. Antibiotics are maybe prescribed. Always wear comfortable shoes and socks. Nail biting is the oral compulsive habit of biting one's fingernail. Nail biting seen mostly among children and is 20 to 30% common. But more pathological forms of nail biting are considered as impulsive control disorder, which comes under OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, means it is other specified behavioral and emotional disorder. But nail biting is not pathological. It could be normal behavior also, which indicates stress, anxiety, or loneliness, or boredom. According to psychologists, it is the act of easing anxiety or the way to deal with the frustration and loneliness. So this is all about human nail. My upcoming video is about human skin. Hope you like today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Please do subscribe and support. Do share the video, click like and do comment.